Good morning students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Science with Hemant Rathore. Our today's topic is heterotrophic nutrition. Now first question will be arise that what do you mean by heterotrophic nutrition? So heterotrophic nutrition, we can say that it is the type of nutrition in which one organism depend on other organism to fulfill its food requirement. It is called heterotrophic nutrition. So we will write the definition of heterotrophic nutrition. A nutrition in which an organism depend on other organism or plants to fulfill its food requirement. Okay, a nutrition in which an organism depend on other organism or plants to fulfill its food requirement. It is called what? Heterotrophic nutrition. Actually, hetero means other, okay, and trophic means nourishment. So we can say that the particular nutrition or nourishment which is taking from other organism, it is called what? Heterotrophic nutrition. So now the question will be arise, this heterotrophic nutrition has been classified into how many types? So we can say that heterotrophic nutrition is generally classified into three types. It has been classified into three types. First one is holozoic nutrition. Okay, holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition means it is a type of nutrition in which any organism will take the food and the digestion of particular organism will take place inside the organism. Is it clear? In this organism takes its food and breakdown of food takes place inside the body. For example, amoeba and humans. So students, holozoic nutrition means in this organism or in this nutrition, organism takes its food and breakdown of food takes place inside the body. For example, amoeba and humans. We can take our own example. In the case of human being, the breakdown of food takes place inside the body, not outside. So it is called what? Holozoic nutrition. Second is saprophytic or saprotrophic. Okay, so my dear students, you are thinking that what do you mean by saprotrophic nutrition? Saprotrophic nutrition means it is the type of nutrition which takes or in which the particular organism is depend on other dead and decaying animals. A nutrition in which organism depends on or we can write here in which organism takes its food from dead or decaying animals. Saprophytic nutrition or saprotrophic nutrition means a nutrition in which organism takes its food from dead or decaying animals. For example, fungi. Is it clear? In the case of fungi, what happened? They are releasing digestive juice outside its body, and they are feeding on dead animal, and after the feeding, what that particular animal will convert into simpler substance, and that simpler substance taken by the particular organism, fungi. Is it clear? So we can say that saprotrophic nutrition means it is the type of nutrition in which any organism depend on any dead or decaying animal to fulfill its food requirement. You can take the screenshot of this given content. Our last classification of heterotrophic nutrition is parasitic or parasitic nutrition. A nutrition in which any organism depends on other organism for its food. It live inside or outside of that organism. For example, worms and cuscuta. It is also called amarabelle. So my dear students, next type of nutrition is parasitic nutrition. Parasitic nutrition means a nutrition in which any organism depends on other organism for its food. It live inside or outside of that organism. For example, worms. We can take the example of worms. Worms are living in the stomach or intestine of the particular organism or animal. Okay, and it is the example of the particular organism which is present inside the body and take its nutrition. And other example is cuscuta or amarabelle. You can see this amarabelle is just depend on other trees to fulfill its food requirement, and it takes the nutrition from that particular tree or plant. So this is the example of parasitic nutrition. Parasitic means parasites which are depend on other organism to fulfill its food requirement. So these three types of heterotrophic nutrition generally takes place in organisms.